My HomeGoods has loaded up on fall and Halloween decor, so I took a trip over there. But when I walked in, I did see these really nice pieces right here. So they have these cute little fur chairs, and I think they do swivel. So these are $400 for each of them. But it's just like a nice little side chair, statement chair that you can do for like a seating area. And then they have a lot of good big mirrors now. So if you're into like those leaning mirrors, they have some really good ones. This one has like a little arch detail into it, which I thought was really nice. And $300, not bad at all. And you can see the frame is like a nice thin frame in the gold. This right here is so cute. I know summer is ending, but this is so cute. And then it has like that exotic type look to it. It comes with all of these cushions and pillows. It looks so big, comfy, and it comes with the awning so you can protect yourself from the sun. And this one is $1,500 for that right there. So if you live in a space where it's going to be warm for a bit longer, you might want to grab that. This right here is another arched mirror, but you see this one is smaller because it's right behind the other one. So you can see it's like half the size, but it's kind of the same height though at the same time, but it's just narrower. And this one is 180 for this one right here. So they have a lot of good mirror options. These pieces I thought were so nice. So they say from India and beyond, and they have like a really nice look to them. They have these big like floor vases right here. The bigger one is $50, and it kind of has like that brass look, that hammered metal look, like just intensified. These vases right here are really nice. They kind of have like a burnt wood look. $25 for that one. And then they have this one shaped like that. And that one is $20 for that one. So just a couple dollars difference. They have that other cute vase back there with a leather trim. And I think that one was like $40. They have these trays right here. They were kind of like stuck in there, but the big one is $40. So the smaller one is going to just, be a little bit different. And then this is the smaller version of that other vase, and that is $40. They have a ton of different Halloween decor that you can pick from. And they have traditional colors, they have fun colors, they just have so many different options. I thought this little skull vase, and it comes with the fake little succulents and stuff in it. I thought the color was really pretty. They didn't have a price on those, but the one next to it was $25. So probably somewhere around that same price for those. They have this one right here with the white skull, and then you see the floral arrangement that is in that one. So they have like a few different options in those right there. And the funny thing is, I just was showing a DIY that I did of a Dollar Tree item like that. So you can make your own. You can buy those for like $25. The feather wreath here, $30 for that, and it comes like in the black. They have a lot of little like stuffed items. $13. And then they have a lot of like high end like dupes. So this would be like some type of serving tray. You can put little treats in there and stuff. It was like heavy. It has the skeleton in it. But this one is more on the pricier side for their dupes. Like usually their dupes are like way less. But this one is 130 for this one right here. But this could sit out in the middle of your table. This one, another cute one. So it has like the little glass there on it, and it's attached so it stays on. But $15 for that with the skull hand. And then, like I said, they have a ton of little stuffies and different things that you can just put around. $10 for that one right there. They have these right here. So these can play more into fall items. So the little creature there, $15. And she has like a really nice soft face, but then you see her shirt is like kind of like a rope detail. The owl they got here, $13 for that. They have this little mushroom, and you can see it's just like kind of a play on the summer things, but like with the fall twist. But $15 for that right there. They have wreaths, they have garland, they have all kind of stuff. I thought these wreaths were cute, so I don't know if you can tell, but it's not like a leaf. Like like the faux greenery, it's kind of like this hard material, and then like it has the painting details with the veins and stuff on it. But it was $40 for that wreath right there, and you can see they had them in those different colors, so you can get that one or the other one. They have some nice cute pieces, so the stacked pumpkin, and these are like just nice neutral pieces, so they can go in with a lot of different spaces. And it kind of looks like, what do you call it, a totem pole to at the same time. But $17 for that. This thought it was so cute. So it's like the Frankenstein, but he looks sophisticated. $25 for that one right there. Another one that could be considered like one of those high-end dupes. This one was heavy, and I think the price was on the bottom. I couldn't get it up. But this right here is so cute. So you can use it like a little candy tray at your front door, or you can put like maybe a little plant in there. I don't know. but I'm assuming it has a lighting feature, and it was $100. They have a ton of like different bowls and stuff. I thought these were pretty. So the small one is not $8, and you can see like the gold lining in there that I just thought was nice. $17 for the bigger one there, and then they have this one right here, and like that color and that one is nice. This one just has like a regular little black inside. They have a lot of things for organizing for back to school for your office and stuff. So this little side filing cabinet like piece right here I thought was nice. 150 for that, and it's just like a cute pink color, and it has those little slots so you can put like, the little names and stuff in the front there if you wanted to. They have a lot of big Halloween decor pieces, so if you're looking for some big pieces to put like out on your porch in your yard, they have a lot of those. So this one right here, 150 for this one, and you can see the little bowl in the front there for that. They have the big stacked skeletons. They have these at most of them, HomeGoods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. $100 for that, and I believe these have like a lighting feature too. The little trees, this one has little bats on it, $40, and this one lights up too. So yeah, a lot of cute big pieces that you can put out. They have the signage, so you can prop this up so it's like, the broom, but then it has like the little signage on it, which is always super cute. So that one is $40 for that one right there. They had this big headstone, but again, no price. But this is like a really nice big piece. So if you have the space for this would be cute to grab. But they have a lot of good pieces right now, so you might want to grab even this right here. So it's like a little lemonade trick or treat type stand, and you see it has the hinges, so you can fold that up. And it has like an opening in the back where you can store stuff. But I just thought that was really cute. 130 for that one right there. And so, like I said, you can fold this up. I don't know how much you can fold it up, how small it gets, but you can fold up part of it. They have a lot of good office stuff. So they have this clear table. They have a lot of good acrylic pieces. So $200 for that. And then you see the chair that they paired it with. I thought that was just nice. The gold and just the slim edges on the chair I thought were really pretty. The color, 130 for that right there. And then I think I've showed this before, this acrylic clothing stand here, but just in case you didn't see it, I just think there's a nice, just like I went to HomeSense and they had a nice acrylic mirror. It was a little bit too pricey for me, but this right here, I haven't found anything cheaper than that one right there. So that's a nice one for 250. These bowls, I think we might have saw these at Home Sense too, but $17 for the big one right here, and it's like a hammered metal, and then it has like kind of like that gold brass color in the inside. $8 for the small one. This is just cute. So it's like the little jack o' lantern snow globe. And then it has a little chair, $17 for that. You can see the bats that fly around when you shake it. We're seeing a lot of these hands, $8 for those right there. And then like the medium sized bowl, you can grab that one for $10. So if you like to, put little treats and stuff, these guys were cute. His hat was gone. Though at first I thought it was like it was a tray on top, but I think his hat was gone. But $40 for that. So just make sure he has this little hat, or you could use it as a tray at the top, because they do have different hats, but I'm thinking he's supposed to have a hat piece. I don't know. I can't say for sure. This right here is $70 for that piece right there. They had a lot of these big skeletons, and they have like a cute little glam look to them. So you can see it goes across one side. It has like the little pearl details. It has like a little glitter detail to it. So those are just cute, like if you have the space for those. So $40 for that. They even have like a little crowns and stuff, and I think those have a lighting feature too. This one, another one that is just a cute little serving tray, so all the little skeletons hold up the tray. $30 for that. Just a cute nice piece. More Halloween decor. They had a ton of Halloween decor. I was going to do the whole store, but this would have been like an hour or something long. But if you want to see the whole store, I will do the whole store. $17 for that clock right there. These, they have a lot of these for every season. So they have the little cone shaped like kind of like a tree decor piece, but with the glitter and stuff. $13 for that. Little class, just a simple boo sign. So if you like just simple pieces just to add that Halloween flair, you can grab that for $20. Garland, they have different types in that. $15. You see these with the little monsters and stuff on it. That one is $15 too. This one right here is just something cute. So it's like the little tree cutout, like the cutout of the pumpkin, and it's like he's in like the little woods. And I think that one has a lighting feature too. $17 for that. Another cute bowl that you can grab. $17 for that. And this is like the bigger medium size. Just a lot of cute decor pieces. You can see like these are like the black, the gold, the white. So these are like neutral. But they still give that Halloween flair. So $13 for a little gnome there. Some of these we did see last year, but some of them they have new, some of them, a little twist. So they have different signage with the lights and stuff. So you can grab a bunch of different things. This one right here, $25. Just like I said, a lot of cute decor, more signage, with the lights. This one says thanks. So that would be more towards fall. They have some towards Halloween, and those are like the leaner ones. This little skeleton I thought was cute, nice and neutral. $20 for that right there. You could just hang that, by your front door on your wall or something like that, and that'll be super cute. They have this bowl. I just like the color of it. It's like a nice off white, and it's a skeleton hand like holding the bowl. That'd be cute. Just something nice, especially if you have like a modern type home. That would be cute to grab that. This little doll right here, $13. Most of the dolls are around the same prices. Just nice simple gold pieces, and this could be for fall, that could be for Halloween, but it's just like a nice gold color. $25 for that one right there. These cute little brooms, you could hang those up. $20, and they have like ones with different sayings on it too. They have wreaths, and they have like those, I don't know what you call them, those tall, like long garland pieces that you can wrap around. You can do different things with, but I thought that one was nice with the little details and stuff. And at $25 for that one right there. And then they have regular wreaths too. They have for fall, for Halloween. They have all. So HomeGoods is stocked up right now with fall and Halloween decor for this season. This one cute. I like things with those, with the buffalo check print, with that print in it. But that one is $35. They have this right here with the little acorns, $25. So generally the wreaths at HomeGoods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all those, the same sizes, generally around the same price. This little candy corn basket I thought was cute. So $13 for that. Not bad. This little boo like stump here, but it's like a candle holder too. At least I think it's a candle holder. $13 for that. They have these little pumpkins, and this is like another nice neutral piece. You could add some florals to the bottom of that and just give it a little extra flair. But $30 for that one right there. These shot glasses, so cute. So you get the whole set. $13 for those, and it has like that metal skull on the bottom. They have office chairs. Like I said, they have a ton of good ones. This has like the little gold base. It has the wheels, all the things you need. $100 for that, and it's like that off-white kind of color too. In that, they have pink Halloween decor. So they have all the Halloween and fall decor that'll fit in with all the different styles right now at HomeGoods. But I always think the pink is so cute because that wasn't really a thing like long ago. But now you can get your Halloween decor to fit your style. But $25 for that big skeleton head right there. They have these monogram like pieces with like a cheetah print or a tiger print or some kind of animal print, but $15 for those, and they're just like really pretty. They have the glass pumpkins. They have like with the cracked glass look. They have the different ones that you can. So this one you can like probably put a light in, and then it'll come through, and that'll look real pretty. Like I would do like a LED light, not like a light. But $15 that one. That one probably already has a light feature in it for that one right there. They have this cute little mirror. I just thought it was so cute. So it has the hand, it has all little things on it. And that one right there, $15. So just something you can put that on your vanity and just have like a little Halloween extra to your vanity. I don't know. But there's a lot of cute pieces. They have this cat. I couldn't get it to do whatever it does though. I pressed the little try me button. It didn't do anything. But I'm assuming some part of it lights up or says something or does something. But they have that, and that is cute if you figure out what it does, because it's supposed to be like a candy bowl. So $30 for that, or maybe you put the candy. I don't know, but it was cute. They have this little skull with the lights in it. You can grab that. $15 for that. They have a ton of those little snow globe pieces. They have a ton of pumpkin pieces for Halloween, for fall. These, I'm thinking, I'm not 100% sure, but I think you can put actual like liquor or something in there and have it for your bar, so you can like decorate your bar area. But $15 for that right there. More Halloween pieces. They had at my HomeGoods, they had more Halloween decor than fall decor. So if you are a Halloween lover, you go see what your home goods has, and maybe they have more of fall than Halloween. I don't know. But this right here, this one $25, and it has like a cute little. They have like a lot of cute little snow globes. They have ornaments. So if you do like a seasonal tree, you can grab these right here at $10 for those. They have more plushies. They have, like I said, more pumpkins, cute neutral ones. This one right here, $15 for that. They have cute mummy decor, and you can also find this like type one. It's a little bigger, but you can find it like in a bowl, so it's had to be a bowl. But this one is just like a regular one, so $15 for that one right there. And they had those last year too. These little candle holders. So we're seeing these a lot. We saw these even at Dollar Tree, but those stacked like skull candle holders or candles. We saw the candles at Dollar Tree, but that was $13. This one, another one. I'm not sure if you can put actual stuff in it, but if you can, that'd be cute to do your bar. $15 for that one right there. Like I said, a ton of those snow globes, the pumpkins, all kind of different things, different colors. So you can just pick what goes with your decor. I love a pretty purple piece. This one $15, and it's just like a really pretty. And I think it has a light feature in it too. So at night that'll look real pretty. Another little globe piece. So these are like, what are these? Like fortune teller things. That's why they have so many. That's why. Okay. $10 for that. This is like a little pumpkin, but then can you see it? It's like a little bat carved out in it. Thought that was interesting. $15 for that one right there. They have this. There's another one that'll go good with a modern type home. $17 for that one right there. They have these pieces, so you can just like lean these against something and go on. It's just like, kind of has that whole Halloween look. $15, I think, for that one. This hat I thought was so pretty. And it's just like, the traditional like witch hat, but just the way they did the pieces around the side, I just thought that was so pretty. And that one is $30 for that. I waited a long time for that to stop swinging, but $30 for that one right there. And you just see it's so pretty, the details and stuff in that. So yeah, if you're looking for Halloween and fall decor, you might want to head over to your Home Goods, because like I said, they are stocked with a lot of nice stuff right now for the season and just regular stuff.